What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got this EcoStash file folder set. This is the Accordion file organizer. About 12 pockets of these, A4 size, and we've got two units. One is blue and the other one is purple, as you can see. They are made of wheat straw. They're not made of plastic, they're made of wheat straw. So healthy living, nature friendly. They are BPA-free. So that bisphenol, which is used in certain plastics, that's something that is not there, which is very harmful for health, and it's free of that. It's pretty much nature-free, made of reusable materials, not plastic at all. These are 12 pockets, but there are 26 pocket options available as well. These file folders are expanding file folders, so as your documents grow, so does your desk or your cabinet, but also does your file folder this time grows with the growth in your documents. How cool is that? So there are several color options available. This is purple and blue, but these are also available in green, pink and yellow. And like I mentioned, these are 12 pockets, but you can also order 26 pockets. There is not a big difference in 12 pockets versus 26 pockets. This one costs about 14 quid, and the 26 pocket option is about 16 something, 16.99. That's the price at the moment. So in this video, of course, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and we'll see what the file folder looks like and what you get for 14 quid. This is pretty much how it's arrived. And what do we have here? Alright, so let's open it up and see what we have in there. Pretty simple in the package, and along comes the purple model option. It does have this document which specifies the various different colors there are in, the model number, model information, and the manufacturer information, which is Guangzhou Shangye. I can't read it, sorry. But manufacturing address, this is based in Guangzhou City in Guangdong Province, made in China. And here's the UK representation, FTOS Consulting and Success Courier Limited in the EU. That's the representation. So, great introduction. And here's your purple color file folder. And let's now open the blue color folder option. So it also has this paper, pretty much the same as the one that we've just seen. So I'll keep it away. And there is another one in here. This is an organizer, so I'll just keep it in here. But you can take a look at this. It looks pretty good. And it's got these different numbers, like colors that kind of represent, or basically organization. So how you can sort of organizing your documents into different colors. You can add stickers, labels and stuff. And maybe this is a label pad sorts that you can just attach or stick onto the pages. Let's check. It is label pad, so it's stickable. So you can remove the sticker. See if you can do it. Look at that. You can remove the sticker and then you can access these labels. So you can put your custom ones. As you can see, you can put your own custom ones. Or you can add the into these, stick these on, and if you have documents coming in January, February, March, etc., that can be done. But there's also an option to write your own, right? So it should be the same with this one as well. Let's check if it comes with its own. It doesn't look like this one. Oh, it does have one. It's on this side, as you can see. Let's get it out. So it's got its own as well, pretty much the same as you've just seen, so you can put up your own label. Alright, so first look at this purple one, we'll look at the blue option afterwards. So as you can see, this is what the purple model or the purple option looks like. All these sticking out options where you can put on your labels that you can design and describe by yourself. But I've also got these A4 size sheets, which I will just quickly demonstrate how they fit into this. So any section where I put these documents in, it's really easy, really super duper convenient to put them in. What's happened here? One second. My document itself isn't organized properly. There you are. So it's gone in, nice and simple. And as your documents grow, it starts to grow. It goes on. Look at that. It was such a small folder and now it's grown, and it will continue to grow as much as the capacity permits. It's really nicely installed, so this is not going to go anywhere. Nothing's going to happen to this. And as you people in law firms, for instance, or research analysis wings, They have so many documents to read. You can keep all your documents in here and use them as you please. But as your documents become less relevant and you want to purge them, take them out, and then slowly and steadily your file folder becomes smaller. Students, you must be looking at this, quite useful. And it's also got these handles, the grab handles type things. As your documents grow, you can then take them around where you want to take them. And it becomes a lot more convenient for usage on an ongoing basis. So that's really convenient. And one other thing to mention is these cutouts that you have on here. Some cabinets have those linings that you can put them against, so they can then go against those cutouts. I don't know what they're called, but they are like those metal rods that you have on the sides. So you can pretty much align this file folder to that, and it pretty much is in the same shape and size of a standard cutout or a standard metal rod that's on the cabinets. Those are the ones that are used to handle or manage file folders. This is a pretty simple way to manage your documents as they grow and operate nicely as your requirements grow. So that's your purple model. All the girls, I'm sure they were looking at this. But all the boys, if you're looking at this, there's also the blue model available. And here it is, the blue model, where you have pretty much the same shape and structure. And these are the expanding segments of your file folder. And it's like a curtain, isn't it? Open your curtain and this goes like this. And when you close it down, it just sort of contracts. Pretty much the same concept, same principle you use on here. You're using the same method. The handles are the same, just the color that is different. But other than that, it's pretty much the same as the purple option. And you can put in the documents, they will grow. It probably supports, I don't know, 500,000, more than that. Lots of documents, I'm not sure. I'll have to do a bit of a fact check there on how many documents can be supported. But they're all A4 and very well organized with the stickers and these labels which you can use and apply. So really convenient, 2 of them, and really cheap as peanut, really. If you're looking for organizing your documents, this is the best place. These are the best folders to organize your documents in. And that's pretty much it for this video. This is EcoStash Accordion File Organizer. These are 12 pockets. There are 26 pockets available as well. And there are several models, several colors available, as we've seen on here. Several of them are available. You can look these up through the description. We have a link added to these products, but there are others as well. And depending on your requirements, you can choose the 26 folder option as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or queries, please let us know. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.